welcome back to Fit Samra's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna do 5 exercises to get a flat tummy and a strong core. So without any further ado, let's get started. All you need for these exercises is a soft mat because we're gonna lay down and do all the exercises today. And just my phone screen in front of you so that you can follow along. Let's get started with our first 5 exercises. Alright guys, for the first exercise we're going to do cocoons, in which our arms and legs are extended. We're going to bring them inward for a reverse crunch and then extend them, and make sure that your core is tight throughout and engaged and your legs don't touch the ground. Alright guys, so the next exercise is side toe touches, in which we are going to lift our upper body above the ground, tuck in our chin and try to touch our left and right ankles alternately. Make sure your core is engaged throughout. You guys will feel immense burn in your oblique muscles. Come on, 10 seconds to go, let's go. Okay guys, for the next exercise we're going to do a leg drop. Bring your legs down, open them, bring them up, and then keep that motion going. Make sure that you're not touching your legs to the ground, and make sure that there's a proper mind and body connection, and you'll feel immense burn in your core muscles. Let's go guys. So for the next exercise, we are going to do the elbow to knee crunches. Make sure that you're lifting your body up and alternately touching your left elbow to your right knee and your right elbow to your left knee. Make sure that you're engaging your core muscles and lifting those shoulder blades every time. Come on guys, you can do it. Alright guys, so the next exercise is Russian twist. We're going to touch our hands alternately on the left and right side of the mat. Make sure your legs are stable and lifted above the ground. And we are going to do 1 set of every exercise. Come on guys, you can do it. Alright guys, now we're going to head into our last exercise, which is called the plank. So let's get started with the plank. There is no hard and fast rule for how long you can hold it. It depends on your body type and your stamina. So let's get started. Give it your best shot, but don't give up too easy. Let's go. So for the next exercise, we're going to do bodyweight plank. Your back should be straight and you should be looking forward throughout. And we're going to do each exercise just for 1 set. And you guys can take about 5 to 10 seconds of rest in between each exercise, and make sure that you're not taking more than 30 seconds of rest in between each exercise. And if you have any questions, you can comment that down below. Come on guys, we are almost done with today's workout. Hope you guys enjoyed today's workout session. You can follow these exercises twice a week, but make sure that you're following a healthy and balanced diet. And if you guys need any help with diet plans or exercise plans or personal training, you guys can get in touch with me with the form attached in the bio below. And make sure to stay fit, stay healthy, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next videos. Take care, bye, good night.